How to connect Apple TV remote to iPhone. First, hold your iPhone in your hand. Then swipe down the notification bar. On Control Center, if you scroll down just a bit, you should see the Apple TV remote appear at the bottom. If it appears here, you can just tap on it and it's going to open the remote for you. If you don't see it in the Control Center, you're going to want to open your Settings application. Then you're going to want to scroll down to where it says Control Center. Click on it. From here you can add all of the controls to the main area in the Control Center. Right here tap the plus and it would add it to our included controls. Once it's added there, pull down to bring up your Control Center, scroll up just a bit. Tap the remote. And now you have your Apple TV remote. Select your TV from here. You'll get prompted on your TV screen to enter in a 4-digit number. Enter that in on your phone. And then the Apple TV remote on your iPhone is now active and can be used. Thanks for watching.